This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, June 29th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have a ridge over the south and west where it will be baking well over 100 degrees there. Around here, we have a trough digging in across the eastern half of the country with some energy coming down the base of it. We could have some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two across the state. It'll be fairly cloudy. There may be some peaks of sunshine, but mainly cloudy, as I said, with highs well down in the 70s. That'll be the case here Sunday as the shower chances do dwindle down. Temperatures will bump back up into the middle to upper 70s, maybe approaching 80, with some showers and thunderstorms well to our south and east. As we head to Monday to start off the fairly short work week, we still have some rain showers along the east coast down into the southeast. We have high pressure overhead or nearly overhead with winds coming out of the northeast. That'll keep temperatures down in the upper 70s to low 80s. Same story here Tuesday. Still rain over the east. The GFS wants to put a little shower chance around here, and we can't really rule out an isolated shower during the afternoon and evening. Same story here Wednesday as we head toward Independence Day on Thursday. Still, temperatures are going to be fairly cool with highs in the 70s, maybe 80 if we can get a few peaks of sunshine here and there. Independence Day looks, well, about the same as Wednesday. Maybe a chance of a shower or thunderstorm around, mainly in the afternoon and evening. Highs will likely be in the 70s to low 80s, nothing like last year. Friday, the shower chances do dwindle down, still over the east and south. The winds start to turn around to the south and west, and temperatures start to warm back to the lower, maybe middle 80s by Friday. And a week from today, next Saturday, it looks like we're going to start seeing a ridge pop up over the south and east, and the westerlies still near the U.S.-Canadian border. We still have a west wind aloft, and that's going to keep storm systems moving fairly quickly. One will be coming in, if this is right, next weekend. Gulf begins to open up, and we could see some showers and thunderstorms on a more organized basis, maybe by a week from now. A couple days later, as we move further into the extended period into Voodoo here on July the 10th, we have a system diving through western Ontario. That'll sort of bring the westerlies down a little closer to us, and that could bring a front through that could bring some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two as high pressure starts to come in from Saskatchewan down into the northern high plains. Otherwise, it'll be around 80, maybe low to mid 80s. At the end of the forecast on July the 14th, we have a 594 ridge back over the southwest again. We have another one over the Atlantic. We have a weakness in the middle part of the country, the Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley region, and that'll keep the temperatures a little bit cooler there and even around here with highs in the maybe lower 80s, maybe a few upper 70s, some showers and thunderstorms across the east and the south, and maybe some afternoon showers in the west. The satellite image from last evening had a complex of showers and thunderstorms over the south. We had some decaying thunderstorms over the Rockies and into the high plains of Colorado. Otherwise, it was fairly calm. Watch warning map from last evening, a severe thunderstorm watch over the south. We had many heat advisories and excessive heat warnings across the south and west and up even into the north and west, and river flood warnings continue in the Midwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock showing rainfall amounts across the state will be mainly a quarter of an inch or less, the heaviest across the east coast where upwards of 4 to 6 inches are possible.